Can AI really tell you how to make $100 per day? I asked AI a very honest question, and the answer shocked me. Stay till the end, because I'll show you exactly what AI suggested. Most people search online every day. How to make money, side hustle ideas, online income. But 90% of the advice is fake, outdated, or just impossible. You see these gurus everywhere promising instant riches, but it never works out. So I decided to cut through the noise and ask AI directly. I asked AI one simple question. Give me an honest and realistic way to make $100 per day online. I made sure to emphasize the words honest and realistic. And you know what? AI didn't say crypto. It didn't say dropshipping. The first thing AI said was to stop chasing shortcuts. Instead, focus on skills plus automation plus consistency. It suggested practical things like freelancing, but using AI to speed up your work, creating content with the help of AI, or doing simple automation tasks for small businesses. These are real services people pay for, but the real secret from AI comes next. Now, if you want more honest AI money strategies just like this, do me a quick favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell right now so you don't miss out. Okay, so here's where it gets good. AI broke it down very simply. It said you don't need to find one client who pays you $100 at once. That's hard when you're starting. Instead, you just need 10 clients paying you $10, or 5 clients paying you $20, or even just 2 clients paying you $50. It's about breaking down the big goal into small, manageable wins. This mindset shift alone changes everything. I then explained how to use it to deliver these services. It said you can use it to write content, design social media posts, create simple videos, reply to emails for clients, or automate their boring, repetitive work. Businesses don't want magic. They're not looking for some secret guru trick. They want speed and results. They will happily pay for someone who can do the job faster and more efficiently. And this is where AI becomes dangerously powerful in a good way. But then AI dropped a truth bomb. It was very honest. It said if you are lazy, this won't work. If you're not willing to put in the effort and be consistent, you won't make a dime. But if you are consistent, making $100 a day is totally realistic. There's no magic button for money, even with an I. No effort means no money. Now, let me tell you what AI tool I actually used for this entire conversation. The AI I asked all these questions to is ChatGPT. It's accessible and powerful. If you want a full step-by-step video where I show you the exact prompts I used to get these answers, just comment the word "full" down below. Remember, don't just work hard, work smart with AI. Thanks for watching.